So you want to install Garlic OS on your RG35xx, but all these stupid tutorials are for the PC, and you're a Mac user, a filthy, shameful Mac user. Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to do it using your filthy Mac, and it's only going to take 2 minutes. You think I'm lying? Well, I don't blame you. I'm sure you've been burned by many empty promises in your life. You are a Mac user after all, but I just need you to trust me, okay? For this tutorial, you'll need an SD card reader and 2 SD cards. One of your SD cards can be small, it's just gonna hold the operating system. The other card should be bigger, it's gonna hold your ROMs. The first thing you'll need is the Garlic OS image. You can grab that from Black Seraph's Patreon page, linked below. There are 2 files that you need. They're called microsdcardimage.001 and .002. You'll need 2 free pieces of software for this, a program called the Unarchiver and a program called Balena Etcher. Download and install them. Control-click the 001 file and go to Open With and select the Unarchiver. This will extract the image to a folder. Plug in your small operating system SD card and then open up the Balena Etcher program. Select Flash from File, select the garlic.img file that we extracted, and then click Select Target and select the drive that has your SD card, and then click Flash. After that's done, you'll need to unplug your SD card and then plug it right back in. And then you'll notice that there are 2 partitions that get mounted. One of them has these 3 folders: BIOS, CFW, and ROMs. You're going to copy the BIOS and ROMs folder to a temporary location on your computer. Then eject the SD card and shove it in the top SD card hole of your RG35xx. Next, we need to prepare our games card. Shove that second SD card into your Mac, but we can't use it like this. First, we need to format it to FAT32 using a program that you already have on your Mac called Disk Utility. In here, you should see your SD card listed on the left. Make sure that you select the right drive and then click Erase. We're changing this to MS-DOS FAT, and then click Erase. Now, all we need to do is copy over those ROM and BIOS folders that we grabbed from earlier, copy them right onto the root level of the SD card. And while we're here, we might as well add some games, why not? Put your BIOSes in the BIOS folder. I'm not gonna show you how to do this part because I don't want to support piracy here. Now you'll just need to shove the games card into the bottom SD hole of your RG35xx. Boot it up and hey, look at that. We're up and running. How freaking easy was that?
Yeah.
And a final bonus tip, you can download the TechDweeb Garlic OS theme from the Patreon link in the description below. It's a public link, you don't have to subscribe to my Patreon to get it. But I mean, while you're there, if you wanted to do that, that'd be pretty darn cool. Once you have that, you can extract it, then plug the system SD card from your RG35xx back into your Mac and copy the folders that you extracted from the theme into the CFW folder of your main system partition. And when it pops up, you're gonna merge the files that are there. And if you want my boot logo, open up the other partition and drag my boot logo BMP-GZ file into there. Hey, looking good there, handsome. You'll get all the ladies with this cool theme, if you can find any that will take a Mac user, of course. And that brings us to the end. Check out my other RG35xx videos. There's some links in the description below. Also down there are links to where you can buy the RG35xx, or the SD card reader and SD cards that I recommend. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you out. That's it for me. I'm TechDweeb. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.